Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the transmission shift solenoids on a 2013 Kia Rio, but it would be the same on any vehicles that utilize the same transmission in Kias and Hyundais over the years. But let's go ahead and get started. This is the transmission valve body. If you want to see the video I did where I showed how to remove it, you can check that out via the link above. I'll also have it down in the description, as well as other videos I've done with the transmission on this vehicle, replacing the transmission oil pan gasket, changing the transmission fluid, how to check and add transmission fluid since it doesn't have a dipstick. All that will be down in there. But what we're talking about, let's turn it this way. These are your transmission shift solenoids right here. They're held on by this little bracket that goes along here. So we'll have to remove these hex bolts here to slide the bracket off, and then we can slide them out. Now, you might be asking, why would you need to be removing these? Well, maybe you need to replace it. Maybe you want to clean them. If you want to see a video I did showing how to clean them, you can check that out also via the link above, down in the description, where I show how to clean transmission shift solenoids. But for this video, we're just going to show you how to remove it in case you need to do whatever service, replacing, cleaning, whatever. And as just mentioned, the video showing how to remove the valve itself, you can check that out as well if you need to get it to that point. So let me show you what's needed, and then we'll go ahead and get started. What you're going to need is a ratchet, and then just a hex bit, which is a number 5. So you want the number 5, the H5 hex bit, and that will remove the hex bolts holding on the bracket that holds the solenoids in place, and this is all you need. And you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these hex bolts, and this will slide in just like that. And then we'll connect it to the ratchet, and then we can remove that, and then we just slide this bracket off, and then you can remove any solenoid that you need to. Okay. I'm going to loosen all of these first, then we'll be back to remove them. So now what I'll do, you can just take them out by hand because they are threaded. Now with all of these out, we can remove this little piece here, this clip, so it just slides right up like that, and then we can put this off to the side. And then now for the solenoids, you can just slide these right out. They just come right out. Now you want to make sure that you remember which ones you're pulling out. You don't want to pull them all out and then not remember which ones go where. So if you're going to do that, it's a good idea to go through and just get a photo so that way you know what order they're in. But if you needed to take them out at this point, like I just showed, you could just slide those out, replace them accordingly, or clean them, whatever you're going to do. They just, basically, you just pull them out. And that's it. Now this is what a transmission shift solenoid looks like, and it goes into the valve body in the transmission. And basically what these are electromagnetic valves that control the flow of the transmission fluid, and they help control the smoothness of the gear changes and the performance of the automatic transmission. But in time they can get dirty, just like any solenoid. So this is what it looks like here. Right there where that screen is, and we're going to check out some of the other ones, they can get dirty. And it's good to just clean them out. Some of them, like this one, a little bit dirtier because the transmission fluid was not in the best of shape. And then once you're done, you want to make sure to slide this in. This goes on the exact same way that we took it off. Want to make sure all those are up. And then this right here will slide right on like this. You have that little ring that it goes around, and it'll go right down on it. And then it'll go on like that. And then you would just put the hex bolts back in, torque them according to the specs shown here on the screen, and then that's it as far as removing or reinstalling any of the transmission shift solenoids. All right, well, that wraps up this brief video on how to remove the transmission shift solenoids on the 2013 Kia Rio that we're working on. But the process would be the same on any of the other Kia and Hyundais that utilize this transmission. I hope that this video was informative for you, helps you out. If you're doing any work on your transmission or your solenoids, please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. As already mentioned, I'll have other videos pertaining to this vehicle and to this transmission down in the description if you want to check those out. Thanks for all the support. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.